Well, the headquarters of the All Progressives Congress says it has not released any official results from its primary elections across the country, urging party members and the public to disregard reports in circulation. While in a statement, the party's National Publicity Secretary, Felix Morka, says all figures currently being circulated are unofficial and speculative. In his words, the authentic results will be announced by the appropriate APC authorities in Abuja at the appropriate time, while the party called on its supporters and members to remain calm, law-abiding and focused while awaiting the official declaration from the APC Electoral Committee, while stressing its commitment to transparency, fairness and democratic processes.
After the primaries election between Senator Ned Nwoko and Ifeanyi on the 18th of May 2026, Okowa's team started propagating on social media saying that Okowa have won, that he have defeated Senator Ned Nwoko in the primaries. If you look very well at those people that claim that they are voting for Okowa, you will see that they are not even with their APC membership card, because that card is what they used to vote. They are just standing, they are not with their cards. Okowa's people mobilized people from different places, gather all of them for line. They count them, they just say number 1, number 2, number 3, 5,000, 2,000. All those things are just lies and manipulation. They will just gather people, they count them. But if you come to those people that supported Senator Ned Nwoko, all of them are holding their APC membership card. They are with their card saying Ned Nwoko will go back to the Senate. Ned Nwoko will go back to the Senate. We support Senator Ned Nwoko. Men and women, all of them are in support of Senator Ned Nwoko. That video that Okowa and his people are propagating on social media is just one word. And Yoma people voted massively for Senator Ned Nwoko. Allegedly, pay attention, listen very attentively. Allegedly, we heard that 2 top politicians from Delta State went to Abuja to meet with top APC officials. They gave those top APC officials $50 million. In Nigeria currency, that money is 68,500,000,000 naira. They gave them those money to buy all the APC slots in Delta State, which means na person where they want to make you occupy that political seat go enter that place. Any other person where they contest not go win. And by that, they are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko. If not, if they don't say may they do free and fair election, Okowa not go fit withstand Senator Ned Nwoko. Now information where we dey hear be this, and that is why APC never fit call results. The same way they are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko in Anyoma land in Delta North is the same way they are fighting Omo Agege. They don't want to make Omo Agege succeed. Now person where they put for that place that they declare winner. The governor of Delta State, Governor Sheriff, is working for Okowa. All of them, they rigged the election against Senator Ned Nwoko for the sake of Okowa. Governor Sheriff na Okowa, but Okowa put him for that place where he did. Deputy Governor of Delta State, Monday Oyeme, now Okowa put him for that place. All of them, both local government chairmen, House of Reps members, both the ones ready for Delta State House of Assembly. Now Okowa put all of them for that place. All of them just dey against Senator Ned Nwoko one person. This is to tell you how evil these people are. This is to tell you how desperate is Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi will get case with EFCC. 9 day contest for Senate. APC no just get shame. You see this political party where they call APC, they no get shame. Okowa where EFCC accuse say is still 1.3 trillion naira. You know what it be 1.3 trillion? That same Okowa, they do election say he won't go back to Senate. This one should say APC na political party where be say criminals they enter inside to seek asylum. If you no want go jail for crime where you commit, enter APC and they go accept you. Okowa carry him evil mindset from PDP to APC. Rigging election. Senator Ned Nwoko defeat Okowa hands down. All this media propaganda where they see for social media, where social media bloggers they tell say Okowa defeated Senator Ned Nwoko. He defeated Senator Ned Nwoko hands down. In all the votes, Senator Ned Nwoko only got 168. Okowa got 14,600 and something votes. Just imagine. And so many bloggers are posting it. Ifeanyi and his media team are pushing that narrative on social media. Make everybody believe say Ifeanyi don't defeat Senator Ned Nwoko. Can you imagine? In some word, not only 3 votes Okowa gets. Some 2. No be 1, no be 2, no be 3. So many words for this Delta North. Senator Ned Nwoko beat Okowa hands down. All those things where they talk on social media, Okowa have defeated Senator Ned Nwoko. All those things are all lies and manipulation. Okowa and the government of Delta State are rigging the election in favor of Okowa. Now Okowa put them for government, so they are doing everything to make sure that their boss succeed. So my people, ignore all those things that you are seeing on social media. Okowa win, Okowa win. All those things are a lie. Allegedly, some top politicians for these Delta states carry 50 US million go give some APC top officials in order to make sure that Senator Ned Nwoko does not win Ifeanyi Okowa in that primaries election. Allegedly. APC National Secretariat said that they are the ones that we call the results, that state governments should not call any results after that election. But instead, because of desperation, Okowa and his team started propagating on social media immediately after the election, saying that Okowa have defeated Senator Ned Nwoko. Ned Nwoko team, they follow protocol. They follow wetin APC National Secretariat talk. Now why you not see they post say Senator Ned Nwoko defeated Okowa? Because we dey follow protocol. But Okowa and him people, they start to dey post for social media, they talk rubbish, deceiving the people. Now for Arise News, they don't talk am say any result wey you dey hear say this person won in the primaries in Delta State, this one won in the primaries in Delta State, all those things are all lies. You dey hear am. So all those things na lie. So ndika disregard all those false information that we are hearing on social media that Ifeanyi Okowa won. Okowa cannot defeat Senator Ned Nwoko, because if you come Okowa in the land, they vote for Senator Ned Nwoko massively. If you come Eka land, they vote for Senator Ned Nwoko massively. If you come Oshimi and Onitsha land, they vote for Senator Ned Nwoko massively. During that election, the ward chairman of Otoloko community was kidnapped. That ward chairman, he dey support Senator Ned Nwoko. So as their people gather to vote for Senator Ned Nwoko, some thugs came and carried this young man. They carry am put for the boot of their car, drive and comot. As they carry am reach where they go, they come dey tell am say, we no wan shed any blood, but wetin we wan tell you be say, we no wan see you for that election ground again. Say make you enter house. Say as he take dey support Senator Ned Nwoko, say they no like am. For Okowa land, Okowa thugs injured those people that are supporting Senator Ned Nwoko. They injure person. The video is there. They carry the guy go hospital. Desperation. Okowa is so desperate. Where we say during election, in thugs they go, they injure people, they kidnap people. Later on, those thugs release that ward chairman for Otolopo. Fear not allow the guy go back that place again. May they not kill him. Okowa will never go back to the Senate. We are Nema people. We don't want a criminal to be representing us in the Senate. Senator Ned Nwoko defeated Okowa hands down in that election. And we are expecting APC National Secretariat to do the needful. They should make sure that they don't rig that election. Make them not rig that election. Make problem not there for this Delta North. Ishe Gwale.